what a $25 million net worth looks like. Now here's what it looks like with $2.5 million. And this is $250,000. 3 different lives, 3 very different strategies. Today, I'm walking through how I would plan the estate for someone in each of these categories and how the tools, the taxes, and the goals shift dramatically depending on your net worth. Hey, I'm John Farrell, and I help people protect what they've built, whether that's a modest home and savings or a multi-million-dollar business. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. But the way you plan depends entirely on what you've got. So let's start small and scale up. We're going to look at the tools each person needs, the risks they face, and the right way to protect what matters at every level. Let's start with someone with a $250,000 net worth. Maybe it's a single mom with a home and a retirement account. Maybe it's a young couple with a baby and a starter condo. At this level, here's the plan I'd build. Number 1, a will. We name guardians for kids, spell out who gets what, and keep it simple. We'll also do powers of attorney. 1 for medical decisions, 1 for financial. This isn't just for the elderly. If you're unconscious, someone needs legal authority to help. Number 3, we'll do beneficiary designations. Retirement accounts and life insurance don't go through your will. The person listed gets the money, no matter what your will says. So we review and update those. Number 4, the revocable trust, well, that's optional. If they own a home, we might create a basic trust to avoid probate. Not necessary for everyone, but super helpful in some states. Number 5, term life insurance. This is the big one. Term insurance replaces your income. It's inexpensive and it protects your kids and spouse from financial disaster. This plan is about protection. You don't need complexity, but you do need clarity. A silo plan means fewer surprises, less confusion, and less court. Now let's say you've got $2.5 million. Maybe you've built a business, bought some rental properties, or just saved well over time. At this level, we need more strategy. Number 1, the revocable living trust. This becomes the centerpiece. Everything funnels through the trust, so your estate skips probate, stays private, and is easier for your heirs. Number 2, the pour-over will. This backs up the trust. Anything you forgot to put into it gets poured over into the trust when you die. Number 3, powers of attorney and health directives. Same as before, but with more urgency now. You've got more at stake. Number 4, asset protection. If you've got rental properties, we're putting those in LLCs. That shields your other assets from lawsuits. Number 5, life insurance and liquidity. At this level, you may not have a lot of cash sitting around. A permanent life policy can provide instant liquidity to pay debts or support heirs. Number 6, charitable bequests or donor-advised funds. Start weaving your values into your estate, whether that's supporting your church, alma mater, or a favorite nonprofit. This plan is about structure. We're managing risk, making transitions easier, and building in flexibility as your life evolves. Okay, now we're at $25 million. You're not just thinking about what happens when you die, you're thinking about your legacy. Number 1, the estate tax strategy. The estate tax exemption is around $13 million per person. So guess what? $12 million of your estate is taxable at 40%. That's nearly $5 million in tax unless we plan for it. Number 2, irrevocable trusts. Here we use advanced tools like ILETs, which are trusts that own life insurance outside the estate. SLATs, spousal lifetime access trusts. GRATs, which are grantor retained annuity trusts for appreciating assets. Dynasty trusts, trusts that protect wealth for multiple generations. Number 3, we're going to talk about annual gifting. Gift $18,000 per year per person. That doesn't sound like much until you're giving it to 10 grandkids and their spouses every year. It adds up. Number 4, business succession planning. Who's taking over? How's it funded? Are shares going into a trust, an LLC, or being bought out through life insurance? Number 5, charitable foundations or CRTs. You're thinking about legacy now, not just taxes. A charitable remainder trust or private foundation can support causes and reduce your tax burden. Number 6, family governance. At this level, we're bringing in financial literacy for the next generation, trust oversight, family meetings. This isn't just about wealth, it's about values. This plan is about control. You're not just avoiding taxes, you're designing a legacy. And you need a team to do it right. A lawyer, a CPA, a financial advisor, maybe even a business consultant. All right, here's the summary. At $250,000, you need protection and clarity. At $2.5 million, structure and asset protection. At $25 million, tax strategy, legacy, and control. Estate planning isn't about how much you have, it's about how much you want to protect. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. What's one estate planning question you've always had? I'll see you in the next one.